Let's talk about the one thing that has completely changed how I use my backyard, and it's my SmartWings Motorized Outdoor Shade. Now I know what you're thinking, really? A shade? But this isn't just a shade. It's one of those smart home upgrades that you don't realize you needed until it's actually installed. And then it becomes something that you use every single day, rain or shine. So I'm going to walk you through my full experience with it, from how I installed it to how I'm using it in the brutal Phoenix sun and whether or not I think it's worth the investment. So let's start with some context. I live in Phoenix, Arizona, which means basically I have two seasons, pleasant and punishing. And for about 6 months of the year, the idea of sitting outside during the day is just kind of a joke, unless you have like some serious shade or a pool. For me, I don't have a pool, but I didn't want a clunky umbrella that'll just fly away in the next haboob, or a sunshade that tied to my roof. I wanted something clean, minimal, modern, and ideally smart. The SmartWings Motorized Outdoor Shades are custom-built shades made from high-quality woven fabric that blocks out UV rays, reduces heat, and it gives you privacy, while also still letting you kind of see out of them. You can get them in different openness levels, 1%, 3%, and 5%. But what does openness actually mean? Basically, the percentage reflects how much light the fabric lets through. So the lower the number, the more private and sun blocking it is. I went with 1% because I want to block out the harsh light as much as possible. Now let's talk about installation. We mounted ours directly on the exterior frame of our patio. My husband and I actually installed it ourselves. No professional help was needed. The instructions were clear, all the mounting hardware was included, and everything was super straightforward. I opted for a remote and a solar panel for power, which has been super convenient. The solar setup especially makes sense if you live somewhere that's very sunny. But solar isn't your only option. You can also power it via USB-C, but regardless, there's a ton of flexibility depending on how you want it all to work with your setup. But once it was up, the difference was immediate. And right now it's only April, so we're already starting to creep up on 100-degree days here in Phoenix. So having the shade has made such a difference, especially in the early mornings when I'm out on the patio with a cup of coffee. It really blocks the harsh sunlight and it makes the space a lot more enjoyable. And at night, it also adds a surprising sense of privacy and security. We have a park on the right side of our house, so having that extra barrier kind of acts like a security wall. And it wasn't really something I thought about until we installed it. Okay, so now let's get into the smart features, because this shade is compatible with Matter over Thread, which is a big deal if you're into smart home technology. Matter is the new smart home standard that's supposed to simplify everything, and Thread is the mesh network that helps your devices communicate better. So having a Matter over Thread shade means it integrates cleanly with Apple HomeKit, Google Home, Amazon Alexa, and Samsung SmartThings. And it reduces the amount of extra bridges or weird apps that you have to have installed on your devices. I connected mine to HomeKit and it works like magic. I can tell Siri to lower the shade. I can add it to a good morning or a good night scene. I even set it up with automation, so when I leave the house or at sunrise, the shade will come down, or at sunset, the shade will go up. But once it's in your system, it just becomes a part of your routine. You don't really have to think about having to lower or raise your shade, unless it's like the weather is bad and you just want to raise it if it's super windy or rainy outside. The motor is also whisper quiet. You can barely hear it moving. And it moves smooth, so it's not jerking around and it's not stuttering. But now let's talk about what it's like living with this thing day to day. First off, this thing is built for real weather. We get dust storms here, and while monsoon season hasn't hit yet, we've had some serious windy days the past couple weeks. But even still, I've had zero concerns about the shade getting tossed around. It rises and lowers along a secure tension wire system that keeps it locked in place, and so far it's held up like a tank. In fact, like within a minute of us finishing the install, my toddler ran up to it and started scribbling on it with green chalk because she thought it was a chalkboard, which is kind of hilarious. But I wiped it off with water in less than 10 seconds and it was good as new. But one of the most unexpected ones is the way it changed how my home looks from the inside. When the shade is down, our patio looks clean and modern. It kind of turns the whole space into like a semi-enclosed lounge. At night with the lights on behind the shade, it really adds this warm glow that looks incredibly like high-end in that part part of our patio. And during the day, my living room also stays cooler because there's less sun pouring through our windows, which means there's less strain on our AC. So let's talk about the price, because yes, this is a premium product, but it's not outrageous when you consider what you're getting. This is a custom-made, motorized, smart integrated, weatherproof system. It's not something you can just go grab off of a shelf and toss it up in an afternoon. And it feels like an investment in both comfort and your home value. Would I recommend them? Absolutely. I love it. If you have a patio, a deck, or maybe a balcony, and you just want to use it more than a few times a year, this is 100% worth it considering. Especially if you're already building out your smart home ecosystem. It's one of those rare smart home devices that doesn't just sit there looking cool. And I think that's what makes this so interesting. It's not the flashiest kind of tech. It's not an iPhone or a fancy speaker. It's a smart shade, but it changes how you use your space, how you perceive it. And to me, that's kind of the best smart upgrade that matters the most. So yeah, the SmartWings Outdoor Motorized Shade, big thumbs up for me. If you're thinking about it, do it. Just make sure you measure correctly, do it a couple times because you're bound to make mistakes, but once it's in, you won't look back. And if you live in a place with brutal sun like Phoenix, this is by far worth the investment. Anywho guys, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and also consider subscribing down below. I'm Maddie the Hippie Hacker, and I will see you all next time. Bye!